In the morning, there's a body in the doorway, so fragile, evident by the way its neck is bent too far too backwards to indicate anything other than a sparrow's fatal encounter with a window. As small as it is, I wonder if anyone will notice the body. Who will call the coroner? Who will call this bird's mother to identify her baby? I wonder who will be in charge of the memorial service, or at least step up to dignify this death. I wonder if birds even have funerals, or mourn their dead. On my way to work, I imagine what types of eulogies the pigeons and the finches will share, the stories they will tell. I imagine you were a good bird by everyone's standards, and that because your family has requested to keep your cause of death private, everyone will have to extrapolate the hows and whys to put their minds at ease, and putting their minds at ease means they can cry around your tiny bird coffin and say things like, "He didn't know the window was made of glass," and "It's such a tragedy." And you can continue being a good bird by everyone's standards. I know everyone has extrapolated the same story by the way they are pointedly ignoring your mother and sister and lover who don't have the luxury of extrapolating. And I know that everyone knows they would rather only remember that you were a good bird, not a sad one, or an angry one, or a scared one. I know. I'm sorry these things can't be said, even in death. And I'm sorry that when even for the second that window became a mirror, you probably still thought it was better this way, because no one cares about dead birds.